go this fast. Goodbye to this house we thought would always last. And this is where Dad's garden grows. Summer haze, meeting place, and late night tiptoes. And I know the memories are with me, even when you move to town that is new. It's that time to hold on too strong, but you're always home. You're always home to me. Up those gray stay wooden stairs, me and Jess play pretend of time traveling, company around the table, seat by the windows where I learned piano. And I'm scared things change too quickly. The time jails your mom sing loud in my heart. And I know I'm not alone. You're always home. You're always home to me.
St. Patrick's Day.
So we'll make room for something new. So I'm not little anymore. I'll always need you. And I know the memories are with me, even when I've grown to a place of my own.
Remember fun?
Not break
Please
from the day.
remember,
Every Monday.
I love you forever. You're always home. You're always.
Ito, dressing mo. No, no, no. Wait. Wait.
The seasons change, but I'm stuck in this pattern where every little thing matters too much. I can see the stains of all the careless words. I say them 'cause they hurt. Staring at a map where I can't read the legend. I question every method I have. So I'm looking back to how we got things started when I gave you my heart. Yeah. Oh, I still know the way. I couldn't let go of who I thought I was. I guess that's how things go. It's yours and then it's history. When I was feeling ready, it ended just because. Am I a ghost in someone's body? Am I a voice inside your mind? And if I'm haunting you, I'm sorry. I haunt myself sometimes. Unprepared for the things you told me. I hope I didn't scare you. Buried in my thoughts. I hope you know how much I think I
Hindi ko
need
namimiss yung
you.
place na yun.
So I write another poem and hope that that's enough.